Hi, in this video, we'll show you how you can reorder the position of the widgets on each page, as well as the size of the widget. Okay, so firstly, for the order of the widgets, when you have the hand here, that you can click the page, the widget on the page and open that up. But if you drag it down a little bit further and you have the double arrow cross, you click that and you can just drag to reorder and drag to reorder. And you can put it, I'll just put it back the way it was. Okay, so that's how you can change the order of the widget, which in turn will actually change the order. So if we just see here, we've got two content widgets that I'll show you how we change the size. So we're just going to change the order now. And see, in the preview here, as we're scrolling, you can see the order of the videos have been swapped over. To actually reflect on the website, you do need to save and update. Just move that back. Yeah, and so that's how you can swap the order of the widgets. Now we're just going to click on this reduced size widget. That's a third size. So as we open up this content block, scroll down. So here you can show the video, how much video space that's on the actual desktop page. As we can see, it automatically sets up the appropriate size for the mobile. So scroll down to additional style and desktop space. So the full width, so that's one widget across, half. So you have a half, for example, the contact us form contact widget. That really looks good. A half widget, and the 3/4 widget centered. So you can just play around and see which widget you would like. So for this one, we've kept 1/3. Save. And then we'll go back to the page. And that's it. So if you wanted to, you can actually put another third size widget beside these two if you're wanting to. Now, I think I'm losing my voice. Thank you for listening and see you on the next